At the very first, I will open my Google Drive and select my Google form. Now my Google form is appeared here. Now I will select the responses button here. So scroll up and select the responses. Now in responses, the Google Sheets option will come on the top right. So we have to select this sheet. Click on this icon. Now select your account. Now the Google Sheet will appear like this. The column number C contains the score. This score is automatically calculated by Google Forms. This score is only for the MCQs questions. In my form, the MCQs questions are from question number 1 to question number 10. So I do not need to check any question from 1 to 10. I only need to check the questions from 11 to 20. So I will go to my question number 11 here. Here we need to do 3 steps. First step is we need to check all the answers and give colors. We will give red color to all the wrong answers and yellow color to all the correct answers. So I will check my answers here. So for question number 11, this answer is wrong, so I will give red color to it. Then the next answer is old woman. Now this answer is correct, so I will give yellow color. The fourth answer is correct, so I will give yellow. The fifth answer is also correct, so I will again give yellow. And the last answer is wrong, so I will give red color. So this is how you will give all the colors to it. You have to do this step for all the questions. Like I will also do it for question number 12. In question 12, the first answer is correct, so I will give yellow. Then the second answer is also correct, so I will give again yellow. Then the third answer is wrong, so I will give red. And the fourth answer is also correct, so I will give yellow color. Then the fifth answer is also correct, so I will give yellow color. Then the last answer is wrong, so I will give this as a red color. You have to do this for all the questions till the last question. Now the second step is we need to create new column next to each questions. Question number 11 is my short answer. Now I need to create a new column next to it. So I will click on this column O, and you can see the plus button here. Now click on this plus, scroll down and click on insert one column. Now you can see one column is inserted here. Now I will give the title here as marks of question 11. Now the red color means wrong answer, so I will give 0 marks. Then yellow color means right answer, so I will give 1 mark. Then again red color means 0, so I will give 0 marks. Then the yellow color means the correct answer, so I will give 1 mark. Then again the answer is correct, so I will give 1 mark. And at last I will give 0 mark. So again we have to repeat this step for all the questions. Now I will create new column for question number 12. Now click on plus, scroll down and insert one column. Now I will give title to this. Now I will write marks for question number 12. It contains all the marks for question number 12. Now I will give marks to all the answers here. So this is of yellow color, that means it contains the correct answer, so I will give 1 mark here. Then the second answer is also correct, so I will give 1 mark. Then next answer is wrong, so I will give 0. Then 1, then again 1, and at last is a 0 mark. So like this you have to do it for all the questions till the end. Now the final step is to give formula so that all the marks will be calculated automatically. So at last we will create a new column here. and give it a name as total marks. Now we need to provide the formula here, so we will write the formula. First of all, equals, then write sum, bracket open, and then we need to write C2 plus, then the new column we have created was P column, so we will write P2 plus R2, then bracket close, then enter. Now you can see total marks has appeared here. Now to copy the formula below, click on this cell and click copy. Now click on the new cell and click paste special, then select paste formula only. Do this again for next row. Click here, paste special, then select paste formula only. So we need to do this for all of them so that my formula will be copied to all the rows. Now my formula is copied. So this is how you can check the Google form and you can provide the formula so that all the questions answers will be automatically calculated. Thank you.